Alright, this is the original Turnbull. Let's see if it's still... Oh, look at this. Uh-oh. Oh no. I don't think it works. Either that or it's turned off. Damn. It's like the only original. Oh, there you go. Let me see if I get to it in the basement. Oh, yes. Why does there have to be a fan? Well, look at this. It's so weird. Alright, let's press the start button. Jeez. Oh my god. What the hell are these retrofit buttons? Yeah, we're over there. Look at the cab. This whole building was renovated too. I'm surprised this is actually still here. Yeah, we're gonna get off at the big push start button. Look at that. These buttons are weird. This is my first time pushing them. Right. Look how dark it is. My camera can't handle it. Plop levels up here. Guess the call button did not work up there. Alright, there it goes, and that's it. Wait, I want to try something. Yeah, it's turned off up here. Okay, that's it.